Hello guys, we are here at Denny's eating this. I got a Philly cheesesteak and a toast bread, and Donovan has pancake, and he already ate all his, and Matt has chicken. Oh, that looks good, Matt. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is what I got for Mother's Day. Boys treated me for dinner. We're here at Denny's right now. So this really looks good. This is what I got. And that's Matt. That's what he's got. What's that? What's the name of that, Matt? Bourbon Chicken. That's what he's got. That really looks good. And Donovan has pancake. And bacon and eggs. Almost ate all his. Alright. This is what I got for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Whether you're single or married, with kids, or without. If you're a mother, happy Mother's Day. Alright? Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.